everyone, welcome back to the Shrink Shake Pod. We decided to take our set out to the streets today because we're coming out with a new series, 4 Therapists in a Car. What do they talk about?
These are 4 therapists. This is a car. We're 4 strings.
Damn.
We're shaking things up on the roads of Delhi.
And because they're roads of Delhi, we're also being shaken.
That's true.
So that's political commentary for you, 3 seconds into the podcast. But I'm Tina.
And I am Utkarsha. I'm
Ananya.
also driving today. So please refer to me by name. Don't-
Driver.
Thank you.
Driver Bhaiya.
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hi, I'm Ananya.
Hi, I'm Swasti.
And we're 4 shrinks.
That's a bit much.
That's a bit much.
It just doubled in number.
That's something. Growth is always great. I don't know where I was going with that, but these 4 shrinks today are going to be talking about love. What do these 4 shrinks think about love? Let's start with one word. What's oh my god, what's
So
one?
that's like Karan Johar.
Yeah. Let me start it again because I lost articulation so hard. But what's the first thing that comes to our mind when we think about the word love?
Pyar dosti. It's friendship.
I asked you for one word.
I did. I said that pyar dosti. Love is
अगर वो मेरे
friendship.
से अच्छी दोस्त नहीं
What do
होती,
you know about love? Pyar kya hai? Anyone? Tina!
I think something that comes to my mind when I think about love is silliness.
Cute.
Sure.
Sure. For me, I think it will be.
You've given your word like
Oh, I did. Sorry. Friendship. I was just thinking I was projecting Rahul, but go ahead.
shrinks.
Shrinks.
I think love to me means warmth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think for me it will be to be witnessed.
Cute.
Cute.
And you're witnessed in your daily life. They know what you like, they know what you don't. But that was more than just a word. But to be witnessed.
हो गया अभी पॉडकास्ट हमें गाड़ी चलाने में बहुत मजा आ रहा है आप लोग अपने घर जाके देखो to open up the room which is a car right now to your question guys what do we think is one thing people miss about love or get wrong about love was that a buzzer
That's a buzzer.
go ahead Swasti you buzzed it
I think when people think that to love others, you have to first love yourself, and or to love. I don't know. There's just some complicated ideas around some order in which love has to happen, which really isn't the case.
That's true.
She's too
actually.
good.
That's true.
yeah
Yeah.
Ananya
I think something that's coming to my mind is that things can't go wrong in love. That's something that people get wrong because I feel that this is something I think we've also spoken about before that rupture is inevitable in any relationship. So yeah, that's what comes to my mind.
Yeah. For me, I think what people get wrong about love is that if love comes with certain demands, it's wrong. That you shouldn't have love.
have love
That you shouldn't
you
have
cannot have love
You can't have demands. You can't have needs. You can't have some necessary conditions in love. I feel like that's not a fair expectation of love. You're then just expecting unconditional service. And relationships are not built like that.
yeah I've forgotten what I had to say
It was
But
too
I-
good.
it was too good I'm really
Thanks.
marinating
The fact that I am driving,
the
the fact that I'm driving and articulating,
Wow.
that's really something.
I am going to throw myself out of this car. But I think for me, it's the expectation for love to feel uniform. That it's going to be one
Good one.
line that is static through life. It's not. It goes up, it goes down. It might stop being there for some time, but it doesn't mean that we can't get it back because love is not a feeling; it's an action, and then it's a choice.
Yeah, it's a
So-
skill after a point of time, and then.
गाइस तुम सब अपना देख लो यार मेरी रिफ्लेक्शन तो लगता है कमेंट करिए अगर आपको लगता है मेरी रिफ्लेक्शन सबसे अच्छी थी
आप सीख सकते हैं प्यार करना is what it is.
या आप सीख सकते हैं प्यार करना
Yeah, but then what do you feel like this, right? Like
Yes.
then more people need to understand the skill of love. What do you think people need to know more about love?
My head started singing skill of love in the
Then
tone
kiss
of
of
kiss
love.
of love
Skill of love.
stay close to the skill of love
love.
Shakarwal
Kisan Loy, if you're watching this,
this ये उन्होंने बनाया है.
आप गाड़ी से उतरो पहली बात.
this has to be a sequel song.
Yeah,
Like,
this has to be.
what
like,
movie is this?
Ananya, I can't believe I am.
Zoom Barabar, Zoom
ये तो
Barabar,
मुझे
Zoom.
भी पता है.
Come on!
Come
Shrink,
on.
3 strings in a car, 1 goes out.
Oh my god, one song I don't know.
How? It's such a good
Those,
song.
those
It's
are the sorry, those are the rules, bro.
I really thought it's not a Bollywood song.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my! Moving on.
Moving on, what people need to know about love is that you can move on from Ananya's bundle.
Oh my god.
But I
Okay,
feel like
ask your
this-
question and tag. Sorry,
I
go
have
ahead.
different question that has come up immediately. That people feel like you shouldn't have to put in effort. And what do you guys think of that? Because okay, immediate.
Yes.
Yeah. What I said yesterday at a talk. Now
At
I'm
a
just showing
talk.
off that I do talks.
The song.
But no, that's exactly what I said yesterday. That love can't be love without putting in effort. Love, it's if you really love the person, the effort will come naturally, and it will feel like the effort belongs to you. Sometimes it might also be tough,
Yeah.
but you'd want to do it because it feels like you really want that to
Yeah.
work.
And I think I wrote down. Sorry, I was taking my phone because I wrote down something you said yesterday, and she was speaking about rupture and repair and how that is very common in love, right? That there will be hurt, but then there'll also be repair. And she had said something along the lines of repair needs to exist so that resentment doesn't. And that was so profound to also hear, because I don't think you can be in love with someone without wanting to put in effort, because again, going back to the point, love is a verb. You love someone, it's an action you're doing,
Yeah.
and it's an action you choose to keep doing. So then if you're not choosing it, then is love even present? Maybe then it's just admiration. Or,
Yeah.
like being sort of in awe of someone from
Yeah.
a distance. But then it's not necessarily, oh, I love you, because when you love someone, you do things for them.
Yeah, and when you love someone actively,
Yeah.
you're also mad at them. You also experience other emotions actively.
What the hell are we?
When you love someone, when you love someone passively, then it's just you being a fan of them. Below.
Okay.
Oh, shrimp distract.
This is love is a cat.
Like I'm thinking still.
Thinking
Time that if you can still really love somebody but not have it in you to put in effort, or I don't know, I do still think that it can be a complicated equation with like love and effort and simultaneously loving somebody and feeling all these other feelings, and I think sometimes it can seem like if I am mad at them, for example, do I love them? Or if I'm not able to show up for them, does that mean I don't love them? And it can feel like only one thing can exist at one time.
Yeah. But I think to kind of get back to you on that, right? Like, effort doesn't always have to look like big and something that also takes away a lot of energy from you. I think something as small as even telling the other person that you're suffering sometimes and you don't have the energy to put in the effort can feel like effort, but that's effort made towards wanting the relationship and caring about the relationship. So the effort that has to come in love is like, I think what ground it stands on is just this idea that do you also see the relationship as having a life of its own?
Yeah.
And you care for yourself and you care for your partner or whoever the other person is. And then do you also care for the relationship as a third individual entity in that space? And that entity needs some effort, if not a lot, to sustain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ananya, thoughts?
4 strings in a car.
I think
Car.
something that I was sitting with is also a mic, but
You're sitting,
You're sitting with
us.
3 strings.
that's also true.
And a lot of cars.
Also, I
around
want to
us.
give context. A lot of people see my face going like, and that's not to the thoughts, it's just the audacity of people driving on Delhi streets. I'm not usually this calm in a
It's
car.
usually you.
That's true.
I am
Call out
There's a reason
first.
I'm not driving in this
Hashtag
podcast.
call out post.
Hashtag call out.
Yes, sorry, go ahead. You're sitting with me.
I think what UJ said, I also was thinking how effort looks different for different people, and then how do you also make sense of what is an effort when it comes to me putting effort in love, and how is the other person also responding to it. I think that's what was coming to my mind, that how it can look very different for different people.
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
how it becomes important to acquaint yourself with how someone else is showing up in a relationship. Because then, again, I think the biggest action you do in love or take in love is to get to know the other person, and the knowing
Yeah.
of it never stops.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think what's one thing you would tell someone?
I don't
who
think we
is-
came to my question.
Which one?
What do we need to know more about love?
I think we need to
Excuse me.
know
aa
more
jayega.
about how to ignore Utkarsha's questions.
This Utkarsha is so weird.
Utkarsha.
Utkarsha.
You need to stop saying
I
that.
never call her
this.
Utkarsha.
Yeah,
It makes you want
exactly.
to throw.
Nobody calls her.
No, my phone has a number saved like that.
Utkarsha is like a man.
Utkarsha ma'am, TCC.
Gag. But what was your question?
What do people need to know more about love?
It's
मेरे से
good.
बात कर लो यार.
Love guru.
But
ये कौन सी
Do you
movie
want a
बता रहे
partner?
हैं?
Oh, partner. Do you want a partner? Love me, say.
literally the best movie to ever exist. I feel like we should drop this podcast, go watch.
David
Partner.
Dhawan,
Yeah,
if you're
drop.
watching this.
David Dhawan,
you
baby,
need
I love
to
you.
cast Tina in partner
As
2.
Salman Khan. Govind.
Prem bhai.
But what should
We have
people know
gone
more
off
about bringing back articulation as a vehicle on the street? I hate people who say vehicle.
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 It's a vehicle of change.
Shut up. You're a vehicle of foolishness. But what's one thing people should know more about love? I think I would go back to the word that I said about love, and that is silliness. I think people need to have space to be silly in a relationship, because the world is not going to be forgiving. It really isn't, because, and not by a lot of people's active choice, but just about what's happening around us. And you will lose parents, you will lose friends, family members, whatever. Grief is
Yeah,
insurmountable.
they really got to place. I
No.
didn't expect it to get
But
to.
it does, right? And you will experience grief inevitably. But then harshness doesn't get you through grief. Compassion and
Yeah.
silliness does.
Yeah.
And I think it's important to have someone you can sing your heart out with and laugh at silly things with. And even if it's a fight, again, context, fight where people are two equals
Yeah.
and it's
Yeah.
conflict. And if you're able to laugh about it and you're able to sort of, yeah.
I think the line that needs to be told with that is that you can't relabel dismissiveness as silliness.
Yeah.
Like silliness needs to be very
You really pulled up
specific.
with the means.
Like, you know, silliness has to be something that's understood as silliness by
Yes.
both people. Again, we're talking about, okay, like a two people relationship, right? Like, so by both people in the same intensity, in the same way, and it has to be maybe anticipated if it's something like a rhythm that already exists. But if somebody is kind of showing up to you with their pain and you're dismissing that pain in the name of, oh, but you know, this is so silly, whatever, and the other person's not in that,
Yeah.
and then you're like, oh, but it's silly. Why are you taking it so seriously?
Mhm.
So that's something that's important for us to understand, that silliness has to be mutually agreed upon,
100%.
and it needs to be like, it needs to be in the fabric of the relationship, already existing maybe in some ways. You also create that fabric together, right? So you can also decide how much thread of silliness exists in that fabric.
And then again, like the thing you said, that you need to treat your relationship as an entity that's living. Going
Yeah.
back to an example you had in the last episode about, you know, like your life being a house and anger being a guest. Again, you'll have to see if these two people co-sharing, cohabiting in a house want silliness to come in at that
Yeah.
point in time. Because imagine you've like lost a limb and the other person's like, ha ha, oh boo-hoo, limbless person. Not cool, dude. But then if like 5 months later they've healed, whatever, fixed it, then you're just like, hey, remember when like, you made that noise? Sure, you know.
Yeah.
So I think, sorry, why are you not going to any places with
Coffee
food?
pina
I've
chale?
been pointing.
Coffee?
There was a
You
coffee
want
shop I
food?
pointed. There was a turn I pointed.
Oh, I
You're
thought
not
you were just
turning.
telling me how to drive.
Why on earth will I be doing
I
that? I'm
also
just
thought you
hungry.
were. I thought you were pointing like traffic.
No, I was just like, go to that place. Coffee. No, not coffee much.
I would love.
I would love to go to Wagh Bakri Tea.
God.
Yeah.
Swasti.
More
Forgot.
more silliness
Question forgotten.
More silliness
is
in love.
what Tina says.
Yeah. What do
Question
people know more,
forgot.
more
Question
about
is
love?
what do people need to know more about love?
It's good.
It's
The
good.
only thing that keeps coming to my
It's
mind.
good.
It's good.
It's
It's
good.
good.
It's great.
It's
Great
great.
experience, yeah.
Worth it.
Enjoy it.
But yeah, worth it's a good point. though.
5 on 5 for 3 stars.
I just
It's a 5-star out of 5.
That's just really brave though.
I think
but say more.
love. Also, we have been talking about love between people, la 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 la. But like love is all around us, is what I would like to say, and we are doing some amount of loving at all times. And I think that it can be something that, like, if you're feeling a little lost, I wonder if love is one of the things you're feeling a little less of or looking for.
Oh, that's such a nice insight.
She's too good. Ananya, thoughts?
I'm thinking.
Feeling sleepy.
I'm trying to articulate what I'm thinking.
No.
Love needs more articulation. Is what it
Does
is.
it?
I
You're
think
just,
it does.
You're just being a verbose asshole about it. That's not. Ananya, go ahead. I'm gonna start tick one.
Tick 1,
Tick two.
tick 2.
I'm thinking of that scene in Kalona. Last time kab hasi thi? But okay, I think what I was thinking was that when you said that love goes through transitions, it always has like ups and downs. I was thinking that to be able to make peace with change and how there are things that might change in a dynamic, but there are things that also stay similar, and then to also understand, okay, what is something that I can hold on to as values when it comes to my love with this particular person, and what I think has changed over time, and how do I make peace with that.
Yeah.
Yeah?
So like reacquainting yourself. over
Yeah.
and over again.
Yeah, that's such a fun point. I always say this, that keep when I work with people and just said when I talk to people, one thing they always say that make sure that you're checking in with yourself every like a 6 month, 1 year thing, that you still love the same things. Are you still the same person, or have you changed and you want to love more or less? And like a constant assessment of self that needs to happen. And I think what I feel like love, like people should know more about love, is it's not really complicated.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
No, that's
Like
what I
it's
was going to
okay.
say, that it might make it sound like बहुत कुछ करना पड़ रहा है.
Yeah, like
But
it's
yeah.
really just the fact that like you, like I think what Swasti said, right? Like that I can't, for whatever reason, like whatever privilege, whatever you want to call it, but lovelessness is one of the most painful things to also go through for the person who's going through it,
Yeah.
right? Because they're sort of like, because love is so around us and you're constantly in awe of things, you care about things, you love things. Love is what makes you wake up every single day. And if there is a sense of an experience of lovelessness either on the receiving end or on the giving end, there is such a void that we can experience as a human being, because so much of showing up every day and being a person every day includes interacting with love.
Yeah.
And it's not complex interactions, it's very simple interactions, like sending a good morning to a friend and petting your cat and
Yes,
Good
I'm brushing
morning.
my teeth.
Guys,
Good morning.
I will share an anecdote, which is my morning every day.
Arre?
I text Utkarsha, GM every morning, and she replies to me with 2 question marks every morning. I wake up with love. She
That's
wakes up
love.
with an absolute horror of a reply.
Maybe
That's
this is her love language.
that's my love
Yeah.
language.
It's just every day. I just go like,
I'm
GM,
just-
I'm up. 2 question marks.
Yeah, I'm just asking that, okay, is it morning yet? Sure. Now see, what if I'm somebody who doesn't have concept of time? Imagine I don't have concept of time and then you're telling me, hey, it's morning. I'm
Yeah,
like,
I'm just
question mark.
telling you it's morning.
It's morning. Cool. Next will be
And
a
if I
thumbs up.
don't text her good morning, I'll just get a slide. Yo, when will you wake up? Message. Okay, it makes sense. No concept
She's
of
confused. She
time.
doesn't know if it's morning yet.
She doesn't know. She
Yeah.
doesn't know.
We have lost the plot clearly.
Yeah, so for me, whenever Tina wakes up, that's morning. So which is why I text her, like, yo, when will you wake up?
I don't know when morning is. I'm still like
So
in my
this
nighttime
is a
routine.
Tina UJ show.
It really is. You all are just
It
feeling
really
privileged to
is.
be on it today.
I
But
think we need a Swasti and Anya show.
I have a closing question.
Yes.
What's one philosophy about love that you hold close to or you'd want to tell people?
Philosophy about love.
Like maybe a one-liner or anything that you've read that has stayed with you?
Philosophy about love. I think I'm going to sound like a broken record, but the record that's playing is very important. That love is a choice and love is an action. And again, the initial feeling of, like Gulzar used it in a song and it's called आँखों ने कुछ ऐसे छुआ हल्का हल्का उन्स हुआ. Uns is cathexis, and that's the initial feeling of seeing someone and being attracted and wanting them in your life. But that's uns, bro. Love. You make actions, do choices, be silly. Do choices.
Do
choices. You
Everyone
make actions,
do choices.
do choices.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do actions, make choices, be silly.
I think with what you said and with what UJ said just before this, there is a quote that I really, really like, and I've just
That's
written
why
it.
you asked this question.
Yeah.
Very smart.
She had an answer already.
Yeah.
She's
Very
like, how do I
smart.
put this
Thinking
point
and thinking.
across?
Thanks, guys.
Mm.
So the quote goes like, "Love is simple. It's felt and then acted upon daily." So I think
It's
that's
like-
something.
It's like a marriage.
Yeah. Marriage?
What you say?
Marriage.
It's a marriage of what she said and
Oxygen
what
and
you said.
nitrogen.
Yes, so that was my quote. But Swasti,
Great. That
I
was
don't
your
have a
quote.
quote. You didn't tell me to prepare
What
quote and
philosophy?
come from home. I don't have.
your philosophy or quote?
My philosophy.
Hmm.
My philosophy is very simple.
Okay.
Everything Shah Rukh Khan tells us about love, believe it.
It's true.
It's really true. It's really
we
true.
saw a movie 3 nights ago and I asked you, this is your hero? And you said, yeah. And he was doing very questionable things. So maybe not all.
Everything. Listen, no. Shah Rukh has said very nice things about love in a lot of movies,
So
in
some,
a lot
na.
of his interviews. I'm not saying the character he
But-
plays. I'm saying what Shah Rukh says about love. Listen to
Shah Rukh as a person,
Shah Rukh as a person.
Shah Rukh
not
as a
Shah Rukh as the
person.
hero.
Shah Rukh is the hero also. Who am I kidding?
Let's
Ah.
not.
No, true. That's my philosophy about love. Everything we know about love, we can learn from movies. That's such a bad advice.
Oh Listen, as a fat person, the only thing I've learned from movies is Sweet Tooth. So maybe it's really not the clock you thought it would be. Shit.
I know. Again, my personal philosophy of love
Sure.
is Shah Rukh. But I think for the
Shah Rukh
general
is the
public,
philosophy.
Shah Rukh
Yeah.
is the philosophy. Shah Rukh is
She
watching
said it.
This with
Yeah.
She's really gone.
I think for the general public,
What the hell? Public would be giving all his yarn to.
public.
Oh, like he's a guys. Yeah, आपके लिए ज्ञान है. Please get in the car. Someone come on.
I think my philosophy, my personal philosophy is Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay.
Him entirely, his philosophy. But I think for the general public,
मौलानी में बैठ गया यार. Lesson मिल रहा है.
for
Oh my god.
love doesn't honk.
That's
your
great.
philosophy.
No, my philosophy is that love, in good ways and in bad ways and in great ways and in sad ways, makes you feel held. Whatever makes you feel held is love. Like you can be crying and pained in love, but you know that there's love and it will make you feel held.
Yeah.
And it can sound also a little sad, but I think love makes you feel held.
Swasti.
I have one now, which is that love is something to be open to and curious about. By which I mean that we get used to love feeling a certain way, or we assume that just because it isn't feeling that way, it isn't love, and it can be so interesting to learn the different ways in which it's showing up or the ways in which people feel it. And it's so exciting sometimes to find out that it takes on all these different shapes and forms. So being open to that really leaves you open to lots of love.
Yeah.
Lots of
Yeah.
love. Lots of love.
LOL.
LOL, bro.
Lots of love.
Heard
from-
your grandma died. LOL.
Too close to.
Oh my god. we need to stop this right now. But lots of love and lots of talk about love. Any last comment?
Coffee
My
now.
coffee now. Yeah.
Coffee now.
Coffee
Is
is
love.
love. That's such a millennial
Millennial.
thing.
Caffeine dependent life form. Don't talk to me till I've had my
I
morning
need
coffee.
coffee and an IV.
I can't. Like
I like my coffee because it doesn't talk back to me. That's one
now
thing
we
I can
know
get
who's
for.
not open to love. This person who's only talking to
Yeah.
coffee.
Imagine
Yeah.
you're a
I
beverage.
suddenly got this movie dialogue from Kaluna again.
Speak up.
See,
Pyar is to chill.
Pyar is
Chill.
chill.
everything we've known about love, everything this generation has known about love, they love from DJ Frankie. Wrong.
Pyar is to chill.
They should listen to Aman, but no. They listen to Frankie.
So DJ
Frankie
Frankie,
Ramya.
I would do him. That's what I'm saying.
That-
Frankie
that adds
Ramya.
up.
Okay, we're gonna pull up,
Yes,
get a
it is
beverage.
coffee time. Thank you for being on this drive with us. We will see you on our couch or on our drive. Who knows? We'll
On
surprise
our
you.
couch, we're
Thank
seeing
you.
people.
Yeah, we're therapists. We see people on a couch.
That's really inappropriate.
no, it's really Freudian if you think about it.
And he was
Nothing but
deeply
inappropriate.
inappropriate. Said
Said everyone ever. But
So,
alright.
yes.
Little
thank you.
sluts.
Lots of love.
LOL.
LOL.
Bye.